The OnePlus 13T is just days away, with its grand launch locked in for April 24th. And just as the hype hits fever pitch, OnePlus has unleashed a bombshell teaser that's turning heads everywhere: the camera system. We've now got our first official look at the OnePlus 13T's camera specs, plus some jaw-dropping sample shots to match. So let's dive in. First off, the OnePlus 13T rocks a dual rear camera setup. That's right, only two lenses. But don't let that fool you. This isn't a numbers game, it's about sheer quality. The system includes a 50MP main wide-angle lens and a 50MP telephoto shooter. Now here's where it gets juicy. That telephoto lens offers 2x optical zoom and up to 4x lossless zoom. That's a game changer for anyone who loves snapping crisp shots from afar without losing quality. Wondering where the ultra-wide lens went? It's gone. And honestly, most people won't miss it. OnePlus is clearly doubling down on what matters most: the fan-favorite lenses. And if you rarely use ultra-wide, this choice will make total sense. Under the hood, the OnePlus 13T is armed with some killer camera tech. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Extreme Edition's flagship image signal processor, designed to deliver elite-level camera performance. And it gets even better. OnePlus is bringing in Oppo's latest flagship imaging algorithms. Not shocking, considering the tight partnership between the two brands. And yes, it's definitely paying off in the camera department. While the main sensor hasn't been officially confirmed, all signs point to Sony's IMX966, a proven performer known for capturing vivid, ultra-sharp images. But hey, specs are only part of the story. OnePlus has also released some early photo samples from the 13T. And even though they're promo shots taken in ideal conditions, the results are stunning, packed with rich color, crazy detail, and beautiful dynamic range. If the real-world performance lives up to this, mobile photographers are in for a treat. But the camera is just one part of the 13T's power play. Under the surface, this phone is a total beast. A Geekbench listing just confirmed it's running Qualcomm's all-new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the same monster processor expected in next-gen Android flagships. And it's paired with a massive 16 gigabytes of RAM, putting it ahead of giants like the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Galaxy S25 Ultra in memory. Now, let's talk benchmarks. On Geekbench, the OnePlus 13T pulled in around 2,900 in single-core and a whopping 8,934 in multi-core tests. While it narrowly trails the Galaxy S25 Ultra in raw power, it actually beats the iPhone 16 Pro Max in multi-core. So if you're a gamer, multitasker, or just someone who wants ultra-smooth performance all the time, the 13T won't let you down. It also packs the high-performance Adreno 830 GPU, so whether you're gaming, editing videos, or running demanding apps, you're looking at elite-tier graphics. And yes, it'll come out of the box with Android 15, delivering the latest features, enhanced security, and the smoothest user experience yet. And if you think that's where the story ends, think again. The 13T is expected to pack a colossal 6,200 mAh battery. That's right, one of the biggest batteries ever slapped into a flagship device. That means all-day use, and then some. From endless streaming to heavy gaming and non-stop photography, battery anxiety may just become a thing of the past. So here's the bottom line. The OnePlus 13T is shaping up to be a total flagship killer. It nails what really counts: killer cameras, lightning-fast performance, and beastly battery life. That 4x lossless telephoto zoom? It could be a massive win for zoom lovers. And with 16 gigabytes RAM and the Snapdragon 8 Elite inside, it's ready to punch way above its weight. The official launch goes down on April 24th in China. No global release confirmed yet,